Hey guys, welcome back to another day of sharing the content. As you can see, we're having our tree trimmed. It's been crazy. It's been all the, as you can see, all the, look, get the pollen.
It's like what do I call it?
Sea moss, seaweed.
Seaweed.
So we don't have this stuff in New York. So all the people in the Northeast, you guys might not see stuff like that. But here in Houston, all these trees drop all this pollen stuff and it messes with your lungs and stuff like that. So we're having the tree trimmed. This is just one part of the process of doing the things to the content house. So Shelly came up with a cool idea. First off, before I even go into this, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we always got cool content. So we're actually gonna go over there. We're gonna get more videos you guys just seen. We're also gonna talk to the owner of the tree trimming company. We're gonna get him on camera, kind of spread his business. Oh, we're gonna get his information. You guys can check him out if you need your tree trimmed, you need any services like that. You can check him out as well. In fact, he's gonna hook Shelly up with somebody to do the front flowers on the...
Oh, the flower bed.
The flower bed, yes, Shelly. He's gonna hook Shelly up because we're gonna make this into our content house. So we're gonna do the outside, do the inside, and then we're gonna go get another house. So we're gonna get a house that we live in, and then we're gonna use this house as our content house to film in, shoot Carl's garage in, to do, and Airbnb it as we get into Airbnb. So we got a lot of stuff coming. So let's go ahead and let's see what he's doing over there. So all this has gotta go. See, it's coming and it hangs over the driveway. So whenever we go to our car, it's all like leaking on our car. Look at all this stuff right there. What's the name of your business, man?
Vasquez Tree Service.
Vasquez, where can they find you?
Ah, man. To be honest, I haven't even made a website yet. This is what my first year.
Are you on social media?
No.
Instagram, no Facebook, nothing?
Nothing, man. All you can do is just find me as Bryan Vazquez. That's about it.
We'll put your number down below. We'll put your number in the description.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
Look at all that, just sheared it off. So we just wanted to be able to park our cars, even though there's still a shadow, but we wanted to be able to park our cars here and then not have to deal with, you know, all the debris, all the pollen and stuff like that. So as you can see, they sheared off it cost us about 300 bucks. They probably would have did more. The kid probably would have did more if we had told them to do that. But we told them to do this after, and he quoted us like another 50 to trim it more. But I mean, they did do a lot. They trimmed all here. What I'm gonna do later is have the kids hang on this and then just saw it off. I got a saw on the inside. Yeah, he said he broke his leg at 21, and then he decided to start his own business. And he said he just got some tools together. He saved up about $4 grand from when he was working for another company, paid $2 grand to a company that gets you jobs, but it was $75 per job. But that was still an investment that he invested in himself. Now he has a crew, and he said in 2 weeks he'll have another crew. And he's only 22 years old now. So for the last year, he's just been grinding, and he was asking us a lot of questions about, he sees people, oh man, look at all this stuff coming. Okay, so sorry, I was interrupted by a spider. Once I came into my garage because it's so super windy out there. Anyway, so yeah, guys, he is a young man by the name of Bryan. He started his own company at 21. tree trimming and stuff like that, all other types of stuff. He's got a crew. He said in 2 weeks, he's gonna have another crew. He's 22 years old now. And he was asking me about YouTube and stuff like that, because he seen me taking a bunch of boxes to the store to UPS to deliver today. So I got his information. I'm actually gonna mentor him on his platform, because he says he sees a lot of people on YouTube who got really big platforms and all they do is just stick the GoPro on top of their head. So he was asking, was this Canon camera right here, was this a GoPro? I'm like, nah, this is a full DSLR camera, but yes, GoPros would be perfect. I'll walk you through everything. So I got his information. I text him. You might see him on the channel soon, because I want to really get his interview for my channel as we reopen the podcast and get everything professional, all the microphones and everything, the Rodecaster Pro. I'm gonna get everything, XLR mics and everything, get it all set up so that I can interview people like him. So that's gonna be kind of how we transition when we make this house. So this house that you're seeing right now that I'm in, this will be the content house. We will keep this house and we're gonna go get another house, which is right down the block. So we're just working on that. We also got to get a lot more equipment, new MacBooks, new PCs, some other equipment that we got to work on. So that's why we're just grinding really hard, trying to push these orders out so that we can use our money to invest back into the brand. So I know it's like a really weird video and stuff like that, but it's actually business related, because this guy's 22 years old. 22 years old, and he's asking about YouTube questions and stuff like that, and he sees the other revenue that he can make while busting his butt every day. You know, he even broke his leg, but he's like, listen, I can either invest some money for myself or I can go get a job at 22 years old. He invested the money in himself and now he's killing it. Because I know I paid him $300 and that was at noon, and he was already doing a palm tree video and his flyer. He did all his flyer himself. He's still working on his Instagram and stuff like that. So I will leave a link. I will leave a number in the description below. You guys can contact him if you're in the Houston area. He goes all the way up to, past Conroe. He'll do anywhere. He's way out here in Katy, or way out here in Cypress, but he was in Katy and stuff like that. So he'll go anywhere in the Houston area. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. It helps these videos get out and to reach other entrepreneurs like yourself. I'm starving, so I'm waiting on Shelly. She's at the doctor's. Check out that other video with Simone Biles, man. Check out that video. It was really cool. So thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.